Hi, Terry Brown here. I'm an independent capital agent for an emerging leader in the small business funding space. Are you in need of business funding capital to expand your business? We can help. In fact, we really do like helping small business owners like yourself get the capital they need to grow their businesses. And we work very well with business owners. Do you need a steady cash flow for supplies, for improvements, for marketing, for expansion, for equipment, for payroll? Or are you just simply in a pinch and need working capital for your business? Not only can we help, but we want to help. Getting small business financing can help cover any or all of the costs that are involved in expanding your business. And we specialize in helping small business owners find the funding options that make the most sense for their business. Several types of loan programs are offered by our company. And with the program that I am introducing you to today, you can get up to $25,000 today or the next day. And we also have a program where you can get up to $2 million the same week. That's right. We've got an incredible small business loan program. Okay? Get up to $25,000 in 24 hours or less. Let me share this with you. Now here's a quick snapshot of what we have for you. Small business funding, from $2,500 up to $25,000. And again, you can get that today. Now we have online immediate approval. There's no hard credit inquiries. We have all soft pulls. Receive funds the same day or the next day. And again, get up to $25,000. We offer transparent terms, industry-leading early pay discounts. And we've got very simple requirements, only $5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, like an LLC or another form of business, but no personal bank accounts. All you need is to be in business is 6+ months, 450 plus credit score, and all industries are included. Another quick point I'd like to make is that you can get more funds when needed. Payment history earns you more. Receive funding again. Add-on funds are available, and you'll also receive a personalized account manager. So I put together a quick review page for you, and from that page you'll be able to access the website where you can apply for your loan today. So go ahead, grab the link and get the information. Apply for your loan today. You see how easy it is. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.